In this video tutorial, we will model 213-0006, which is a complex portion of a bike frame, requiring the use of reference planes in conjunction with a reference sketch. Here's the drawing, and the written form of the tutorial begins on page 63 of your SolidWorks textbook. Begin a new part in SolidWorks with the units set to IPS and the drafting standard set to ANSI. Start a new sketch on the right plane that is composed of two circles 1.5 and 1 inch in diameter centered on the origin. Extrude the sketch from the midplane to 3 inches. Start another new sketch on the right plane and draw a center line vertically. Then draw two angled solid lines on both sides of the center line from the origin, the left at 60 degrees and the right at 20 degrees with the Smart Dimension tool. Add 3-inch smart dimensions between the ends of the solid lines and the 1.5-inch circle, making sure the dimensions are from the edge of the 1.5-inch circle. You can change this from the Leaders tab of the Property Manager of the dimension. Exit the sketch, activate the Reference Geometry Plane tool, and choose the endpoint of the right solid line from the previous sketch as well as the solid line itself. This makes the endpoint a reference for what the plane needs to go through, and the solid line a reference for what the plane needs to be perpendicular to. Confirm the reference plane and then repeat for the left solid line. Draw a sketch on the first reference plane you created of two circles centered on the origin, with the outer diameter being 1.125 inches and the wall thickness being 0.125 inches. Choose both circles with the Smart Dimension tool activated to do the wall thickness dimension. Extrude the sketch with the Up to Next option selected and confirm. Repeat this process for the other sketch plane. Hide the reference planes and sketch, specify the material, and save. You can add a fillet to the intersection edges if you'd like to make it look more realistic and to simulate the weld beads on the sections of tubing.